Today we are looking at the 2018 Ford Focus in hot pepper red metallic. This car is powered by a 2.0 liter engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to look at are these black cloth seats. These seats contain heating in the front. This jet black interior is followed throughout the entire vehicle, all the way to your steering wheel, which holds your controls for cruise control, controls for the digital screen, media and volume control, as well as paddle shifters. Behind your steering wheel, you'll find your windshield wiper controls, your headlight controls, and your gauge cluster, which includes a screen in the center. In the dash, you'll find a small screen for your media and backup camera display. Below are your controls for radio, as well as media, phone, and more. Below this are your climate control settings, including settings for your heated seats in the front. Below this, you'll find a USB charging port, as well as in the center console. On the left-hand side are your controls for your power windows and mirrors. Now let's take a look at this beautiful hot pepper red colorway, the silver wheels. Headed to the back, we can open our lift gate to showcase our large cargo room, as well as the cover, which ensures that all of your belongings are stowed away safely and carefully. As we jump into the back seat, your rear passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom. These rear seats are split in a 60-40 fashion, which means with the touch of a button, both sides come down, extending your cargo room. And that is the 2018 Ford Focus in hot pepper red, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.